Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to press two colours at once with a good even press. With other iron-ons you can simply trim and adhere the smaller cuts to the main carrier sheet. Unfortunately with the flock carrier sheet it isn't sticky once the vinyl is removed, so this video shows you how to get around that. Firstly, cut closely around the smaller items so you can slot it into the design without any transfer sheet being in the way. Next, cut out the area of the transfer sheet on the main design where you need the smaller cut to be placed. I start off with a Cricut knife to make my initial hole and then using scissors to get a closer cut, but be careful, don't cut your main design by accident. Yep, now that looks about good. Now take your garment and lay it out on your pressing mat. Use a lint roller to remove any fluff or the likes. I place a crosshair markings on my garment with a heat removable pen, or you can press a crosshair with your press, whichever method you like using. I then fold my design in half and press to give me the markings to line up with my crosshair on my garment. It just makes things a lot easier. And then place the design wherever you want it to be, however high. And then next, place the small record cut in the hole we've made for it. I like to place a piece of heat-resistant tape so the smaller item doesn't move when you're placing the press down. Now, press the flocked iron-on for the time and temperature recommended for your particular garment. Flocked is a cool peel, so once your garment is cool to the touch, then you can remove the transfer sheet. I like to place mine face down on my cutting mat as this speeds up the cooling. And there you have it, two colours perfectly pressed at one time. It may be hard to tell in this video, but flock really is such a lovely and luxurious way to add a design to your garment or blank of choosing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to make this project, you'll find the project link in the video description. Thanks for watching.